We are pleased to show you the 2026 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, tire pressure monitoring system, remote keyless entry, chrome mirror caps, trailering package, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.